Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you some advanced tips to get even more followers on Instagram. So let's follow these steps together. The first step is to collaborate with influencers. One great way to get more followers is to collaborate with influencers in your niche. This exposes you to their audience and can quickly grow your followers. Just search for your influencer and you can ask them to collaborate with you by sending a text message. The second step is to host giveaways. Hosting a giveaway can attract new followers. Ask people to follow your account, like your post, and tag friends for a chance to win. This brings in new eyes to your content, just like this page. You see, they're hosting a giveaway of a PS5. You just have it's just required to follow and tag 10 friends on a post and follow the link. Step 3 is to leverage Instagram ads. If you're serious about growth, consider running Instagram ads. You can target a specific audience, ensuring your content reaches people interested in your niche. The fourth step is to analyze your insights. Regularly check your Instagram insights to see which content performs best. Focus on creating more of what your audience likes to increase engagement and gain more followers. And that's it. That's how you take your followers' growth to the next level. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more advanced Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.